Hello everyone, today we're going to compare YNAB and Pocketsmith, two popular budgeting tools in the world. So YNAB, or that stands for You Need a Budget, focus on a proactive budgeting approach, helping users assign every dollar a job, manage monthly budgets, and get control of their spending. While Pocketsmith offers flexible financial planning with a strong emphasis on forecasting, allowing users to project future finances, track multiple accounts, and visualize long-term financial goals. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for YNAB or Pocketsmith, you can use my affiliate links in the description below, where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you can also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when we talk about budgeting styles, YNAB have zero-based budgeting, where every dollar is assigned a job, while Pocketsmith, they have flexible budgeting with forecasting and goal setting. And when we talk about bank syncing, YNAB have automatic bank syncing with most financial institutions. Same thing with Pocketsmith, they have automatic syncing with over 12,000 banks globally. And for the manual entry, so YNAB have it. They have a manual entry available for those who prefer to manually track transaction. Same thing with Pocketsmith alongside automatic syncing. And last, for goal tracking, so YNAB focuses on assigning money towards specific goals like debt repayment or savings, while Pocketsmith, they have track goals and they allows users to project into the future. And for the forecasting, so YNAB, they have no detailed forecasting. They are only focused on real-time budgeting, while Pocketsmith, they have advanced forecasting capabilities up to 30 years ahead. For the multi-currency support, so YNAB, they don't have that support, while Pocketsmith, they have multi-currency support available with options for various currencies. For mobile app, of course, both platforms have it. They have a full-featured mobile app available for iOS and Android. And for customizable categories, so YNAB offers customizable budget categories, while Pocketsmith, same thing for income and expenses. And lastly, for report and insights, so YNAB, they have simple reports focused on budget categories and trends, while Pocketsmith, they have detailed financial reports including cash flow, projection, and network tracking. And that's it for the features comparison. Now let's go to pricing. And for the basic plan, so YNAB offers $14.99 per month or $99 per year, or 9.08 months per dollar or $109 per year if billed annually. So that's it for the basic plan. While Pocketsmith, their basic plan is actually free but with limited features. For premium plan, so as you can see, YNAB have only one subscription, which is the basic plan. So they don't have any premium plan. So all features will be available in the basic plan. While Pocketsmith, they have a premium plan and their price is at $9.99 to $26.66, and it depends on the tier, which is from Foundation to Fortune subscription. For the trial period, so YNAB have 34-day free trial, while Pocketsmith, they have a 30-day free trial for premium plans. And lastly, for additional costs, YNAB doesn't have any additional costs, while Pocketsmith there offers additional costs up to $9.95 per month for additional features like full bank syncing. So that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to performance. When we talk about platform speed, YNAB is very fast and stable, and then it's designed for real-time budgeting. But when it comes to Pocketsmith, they have a stable platform with very powerful forecasting tools. For the user interface, YNAB is very simple. They have a clean interface focusing on the budgeting process, while Pocketsmith, they are more complex interface. They have more complex interface due to forecasting tools. And for the learning curve, YNAB, they are moderate, especially for zero-based budgeting newcomers, while Pocketsmith, they have a steeper learning curve due to advanced features, which is forecasting tools. And for the mobile experience, YNAB is very smooth on mobile app, while Pocketsmith, yes, they offered full-featured mobile app, but desktop may be preferred for complex tasks because they have more complex features. So desktop is more preferred device. So that's it for the performance comparison. So now let's go directly to customer and support. When it comes to availability, YNAB offers email, community forums, and online workshop. While same thing with Pocketsmith, they have email support. Their chat support is on premium only, and also they have help articles for response time. So YNAB typically responds within 24 hours for email inquiries but Pocketsmith, their email support responds within 24 to 48 hours. So 1 to 2 days. For help resources, YNAB, they have comprehensive online resources, videos, and tutorials. Pocketsmith, they have extensive help center with guides and facts. Lastly, for community support, YNAB they have an active user community forums for peer-to-peer help, while Pocketsmith, they have a smaller community forums compared to YNAB, but still good. So that's it for the customer support. So now we're done with the features, pricing, performance, customer support comparison. Now let's go directly to pros and cons. And let's start with YNAB pros and cons. When it comes to pros, YNAB focuses on zero-based budgeting, helping users actively allocate every dollar towards specific goals, which can lead to better financial discipline. They have a real-time budgeting approach, make it easy to track daily expenses and adjust to the budget as needed. They are simple. Intuitive interface helps users quickly understand their financial picture without unnecessary complexity. And lastly, they have excellent mobile app, allows for seamless tracking and budgeting on the go, keeping users engaged with their finances. So that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, they lack advanced forecasting for compared to Pocketsmith, which may limit its use for people who want to plan for future financial scenarios or project long-term goals. Their subscription fee is higher than some alternatives, which may be a drawback for budget-conscious users. They focus heavily on hands-on budgeting approach, which may not appeal to users looking for more automation in financial management. And lastly, they have no multi-currency support, making it less suitable for those with international finances or income streams. So that's it for the YNAB pros and cons. And for the Pocketsmith pros and cons, when it comes to pros, they have powerful forecasting tools that allows users to project their financial future by up to 30 years, making it ideal for long-term financial planning and goal setting. They have flexible budgeting system with customizable categories allows for more personalized financial tracking or forecasting. They have a multi-currency support, and it's great for those managing international finances or multiple currencies accounts. And lastly, they have detailed reports and insights, including cash flow and network tracking, that provides a deeper understanding of for the people financial health beyond just budgeting. So that's it for the pros. When it comes to cons, Pocketsmith, they have more complex interface and advanced features that can create a steeper learning curve, which might be challenging for beginners. They have a higher tier premium plans, then it can be expensive, especially for users requiring full bank syncing and access to advanced forecasting tools. Their mobile experience, while good, can be overwhelming due to the platform's detailed features, just like forecasting, making it better suited for desktop use. And lastly, they have less emphasis on real-time budgeting, means users may not have the same level of day-to-day expense control as with YNAB. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platforms is the best for you, and let's start by discussing who should choose YNAB. YNAB is referable for someone who wants a zero-based budgeting system that focuses on giving every dollar a job, helping to improve spending discipline. Someone who prefers a simple real-time budgeting tools without the need for complex financial forecasting or long-term projection. Someone who's looking for a hands-on approach to managing finances and tracking expenses with a frequent adjustments to the budget. And lastly, someone who wants a mobile-friendly platforms that allows easy tracking of expenses on the go with a user-friendly interface. So if you have all of these qualities right here, YNAB is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose Pocketsmith, Pocketsmith is referable for someone who is a DIY investors looking for a simple, automated way to manage investments with zero commission trading. Someone who values the ability to create customizable portfolios or PIES for easy asset allocation and management. Someone who prefer a mobile-friendly platform that focuses on automation and passive investing without extensive research requirements. And lastly, someone who wants access to fractional shares to build a diversified portfolio with a smaller amounts of capital. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Pocketsmith is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, when comparing YNAB and Pocketsmith, both platforms offers unique strengths depending on your financial management style. YNAB is perfect for those seeking a real-time, zero-based budgeting approach that focuses on daily financial control, while Pocketsmith stands out for its powerful forecasting and long-term financial planning capabilities. Whether you need the simplicity of YNAB's hands-on budgeting system or the advanced forecasting tools of Pocketsmith, both platforms can help you take control of your finances. So choose the one that aligns with your personal financial goals and start your journey toward better financial health today. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.